Alright guys, welcome. Order's Garage. Today we're looking at some wonderful tractors here at the scrap show in Gibsonburg, Ohio at White Star Park. So come along with us and enjoy the ride. We'll wander around, see what we can find. Got a really cool swap meet, flea market swap meet. A lot of cool tractors, auction area, truck area, all kinds of cool stuff. So come along with us and we'll check out some cool tractors and trucks. Look at this one, guys. Very cool. I love Minneapolis mulling tractors. I think they're just a rare oddity to have around. So I think they're really neat in my book. The Sandusky tractor. Born and raised in Sandusky, Ohio. It's pretty cool. You know, pretty cool. Very neat, cool tractor. Sandusky tractor. We have the Doubt Manufacturing Company. So we get you a good picture there. They say that this is one of 3 left in the world. So, very cool. Crank start. They did a very nice job with their banner for their display. Really cool. Nice tractor. There's some literature on it. You guys can pause the video and read. There's a cool picture of the factory from Sandusky, Ohio, where they built it.
We know the guy that owns it. There's only 3.
More literature on it there. So you guys could pause it, look at it. Got a pretty cool tractor here. Very cool stuff. German. Very cool. Alright guys, well, they have a pretty decent flea market swap meet area here. First thing we walked up on. Kind of cool. Bunch of old stuff. Like I need more stuff. But you know, just kind of neat. Cool old stuff. But yeah. Look at this, guys. Walking through looking at all the cool stuff. Never know what you might find. Look for tools. You guys are gonna come next year. Scrap show. All kinds of cool stuff.
I mean, I don't know why, but it's just...
So, the featured tractor this year is Oddities. The odd tractors. So, this is the tent with all the odd, not your typical John Deeres and stuff. Definitely cool stuff, you know. That's what I like. I like the oddities. This is very cool. 1921. Cleat track. Hey guys, now we're here in the lawn tractor booth. Tent, I guess you should say. Lawn tractors. As far as you can see, this tent's got some pretty cool stuff in it. That's pretty neat. Got an old Wisconsin engine on it. Very cool. And we got some very different things here. Kind of customs. A wheel horse. See a lot of those around here. Very cool. Just a bunch of cool old tractors. It's amazing to see how the times have changed over the last however many years, you know. Check this old case out, guys. Very cool. Tractor. More wheel horses. As far as you can see, you got wheel horses. You got your little bulldozer. That's a cool Minneapolis mulling garden tractor. We've even got snowmobiles. Wheel horse. Very cool wheel horse. A lot of wheel horse stuff. Very cool though. Toro. Scrub Cadet. A couple old case garden tractors. 2 of them. 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 2 of Very neat. Even got dirt bikes here today. Yamaha YZ80, 1979. Beautiful bike. Very nice. Don't think it's been restored. I think it's all original. Very cool. Very cool one here. This one hooks to a tether and it runs around in a circle. Very neat. They built this to ring a bell. It comes around and that arm will hit the cord and dings the bell. Pretty neat. Some hit and miss engines running. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so one other cool thing they do here is they have a farm auction on Sunday. It's a very, farmers and construction companies, they'll bring whatever they have they want to get rid of and they'll auction it off. So it's a pretty neat thing they do here. Some more footage of the auction area. Looks like they got campers, they got backhoes, forklift, they got a cool man lift over there. Look at that man lift. Kind of neat, just a bunch of old equipment. Guys, so we took a minute here to walk around the auction area for tomorrow. And as far as you can see out here, there is stuff. All this stuff will be up for auction tomorrow. Half a truck back there, you got some snowmobiles, you got some lawnmower, a bunch of golf carts. Nobody wants a golf cart. Some old stuff, a little bit of everything. So just thought I'd show you guys, It's kind of cool. Don't know what they'll get out of a lot of this stuff, but it's all going up for auction. You could own it. Check out what we found, guys. Maytag engines. Man, I'd like to have them for my collection. Those look good in the living room, Heck yeah, guys. Look at that. 4 of them. They're probably all separate in a lot. I don't think they sell them all together, but that's what used to run washers and machines back in the day. It's kind of cool. Check out all the small stuff, guys. Just thought I'd give you guys a cool glimpse of what there is. For people that maybe can't walk or get out here, I thought I'd make a good video. So. Alright guys, for all you Ford lovers out there, check that out, the Super 6. Beautiful tractor. Beautiful blue. Really like that Ford blue. Looks good. There's the, what it is, year, model, and everything. You can pause it and take a look there. There's another Silver King made in Plymouth, Ohio. Very cool, in 1937. Kind of neat tractor. Let me go in this side, get you guys. There's a picture of the liddage here. You can pause and check out there. But very cool tractor. Here we got a pretty neat one, guys. A Silver King. Pretty cool. Check out the manifold on the exhaust. It's Silver King. It's pretty cool. You got your belt drive pulley there. Here's the manufacture date. Really cool tractors. They were made there in Plymouth, Ohio, not far from us. Very neat one wheel, front wheel. But yeah, pretty cool. So, we got some John Deeres. The other thing I thought was pretty cool is check out those sunshades on them old John Deeres. Kind of a cool old school accessory that would have been able to be bought with an old tractor when you bought it back in the day. Pretty cool. Alright guys, another cool thing that they do here is they do tractor pulls. So all these tractors, far down there as you can see, they're all here in competition to do tractor pulls. All vintage tractor pulling. They got all kinds of different classes and stuff like that. But that's what all these tractors in this area here are for. So I'll get some good pictures here. That's a cool one. Check out the Oliver 2255. Beautiful tractor. Got cat diesel. I love the roof. The roof's very cool on that thing. So let's go up front. Very nice tractor.
Everyone who participated and the winners and all that.
Check this out, guys. Fremont Speedway. Huh. I've been there a lot of times. Very cool tractor. Just thought it was neat that it still said the Fremont Speedway on the hood. Kind of cool. And guys, if big trucks are your flavor or what you enjoy, they also have a section of those. Semi trucks. Another cool old International. We got a really cool Mack truck there. So it's got a little airport tug on the back. Very cool old Dodge fire truck. Look at that thing. Isn't that thing cool? That's when they made vehicles right there, guys. Check this out, guys. Old fire truck they turned into a flatbed truck. Kind of neat, repurposing things. Very cool cab over fire truck. Check out the old International Transtar. Very cool. I love cab over trucks. Very pretty truck. Check out the 1937 Shaw Dual tractor. Pretty cool. Man, the way technology's changed farming industry. Pretty cool tractor there, guys. Check out the old Alice Chalmers. Beautiful tractors there. I like them because they're orange. Got a good look to them. Okay, guys, there's an old tractor pull. Antique tractor. Kind of cool. Really cool stuff here. Some very odd stuff as well. Just walking around here today. I got a bunch of food vendors. You didn't come this year. They come next year. This is a very good time. Very beautiful, cool old stuff. Alright guys, well this might end our video here today. If you find yourself looking at tractors next year, come next year. Every year it's another cool tractor show here, a lot of tractors to see. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to this channel. We'll get some more videos out for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching.